I didn't see it coming, the long kind of dark, the kind that moves in slowly and rearranges everything. I stopped asking when, I just waited. And while I waited, I learned what I was made of. Some things don't survive